Welcome to the club, everyone. We're going to get started right away along the top center page with 2 circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up toward the top. Now we're going to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left side, we draw a smaller circle going around and then in. Let's line that up on the right. And then along the top of each pupil, draw a smaller circle for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Just underneath the eyes, we're going to draw a large curve for the nose. We're going to go up the middle, bend that down. Now on the ends, round out the nose and pull that in towards the bottom point. Round at the bottom, go up towards the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw a small seam that goes up. And then on either side, we'll draw the nostrils going up and bending that down. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the cheeks, bend this down and up, and curl that back down around the corners of the mouth. Let's go back to the center. Draw a short line coming down. Now we want to curve the mouth going up underneath the cheeks, so we'll start the left side, coming down, and we'll bend that up toward that curve. Let's add a few spots on either side. Now we're going to go back to the center. We're going to split the teeth with a straight line coming down, flatten off the right side, and we'll angle this up and then out. From here we're going to step up, draw the left side, and go out, and then angle that up. Let's go back to the eyes and give our character some expression. So on the inside left eye, we're going to go all the way up, round out the brow, come down and in toward the side. Now on the inside of the right eye, we're going to go up and out. Just lower the brow, coming down, across, and then in. Let's add some thickness to the left brow. So coming down lower in the middle, and then we'll fill the brow in black. Let's go back over towards the right side. We're going to add some thickness going around the side, and then we'll fill that in black. Now going down underneath the eyes, we're going to draw the cheeks. We're going to bend this up, and then down towards the side of the head. And we're going to add some fur going around the cheeks. We're going to add a small curve coming back in, curve down around the cheeks, then again adding another point. Add another one coming down and then coming in towards the chin. Let's add another point. Now I want to curve this down and in towards the middle. Leave a small gap. Bring this in and then down towards the center. Let's go back to the side of the eyes. We're going to curve the head, coming down and then out on top of the cheeks. Let's go on top of the left brow. Curve the head, coming across and then down. And then in the center of the head, we're going to add some hair. We're going to bend this out and up. Just add a point. Go up a little bit higher. Come down along the side. Let's add one smaller point coming back in. Now I want to go back down towards the side of the head along the bottom. Draw the ears. We're going to go out, round this out, and pull that back in. Over on the left side of the mouth, we're going to add a stick. Bend this out and then up. Flatten off the end, and then curve that back in. Now we're going to add a seam across the chin. We're going to start back at the corner of the mouth, bend this around in behind the stick, come down, and then in towards the collar. I'm just going to curve the right side, coming in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this out, and then pull that down and in. The same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now I want to move to the center, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down towards the bottom of the pan. Now we're going to connect the outside to the inside with another curve. Let's go back to this point, angle this out and then up with a slight curve, going underneath the head. And then underneath, we're going to draw the collar, just bending this down. go back to that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Just going to split the vest, going out toward the side, bend this out, and then up towards the side of the body. Now underneath the vest, on either side, we're going to add a curve to the edge of the pant pockets. Now before we get into that detail, let's move back down and finish off the feet. From this point, we're going to step in, then it's out, and then down towards the heel, and then round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot. From the outside, we're going to go up, bend this down, aim towards the heel. And then from the outside of the pant leg, step in, and goes down and in on top of the feet. Let's separate the toes with two curves on either side. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw the arms on the hip. From the top of the body, let's step out, bend this out, and then down towards the elbows. We're going to add a little bit of fur, so we're going to add a point, coming in, round at the elbow, and come down. Let's add another point, bend this down, and then in towards the hips. Now halfway between the bottom of the arm and the top of the body, right here we're going to add the sleeve. And bend this out and then up. And I'm going to curl the finger from here, bend this out and then back in. On the left side of the body, just underneath that finger, we're going to draw that tail. So I'm going to bend this out and then up, going around the elbow. Just round up the tail, come down. Now I'm just going to taper this so it gets narrower as it comes back in towards the body. Now with the body complete, we're going to go back to the vest and add those small details. Let's start on the right side of that center line. Starting from the very top, we're going to add 3 buttons. Let's go up to the top of the vest along the shoulders, draw a patch with a straight angled line. And then there's 2 sets of pockets on either side of the vest. So let's start with the one on the left. We're going to angle this down and in, flatten off the ends, and then we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's leave a gap and draw another pocket. We're going to go a little bit larger. This one coming all the way down toward the bottom. And flatten that off. And then we're going to draw on that flap. In the center of the pocket, draw a straight line going across on either side. Now I'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's where I draw Nibbles Maplestick from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.